Hello everyone, welcome to Sweetie Speaks official YouTube channel. Today we are at day 84 of 111 days verification challenge. We had started solving real life design and verification problems. Yesterday we solved an FSM. Today we are going to solve a memory problem. So topic for today is memory design and verif, and the skill set which you are going to learn will be system verilog. Let's understand what is the design specification. The design is a RAM memory. RAM stands for random access memory, and it has byte addressable system. It means at one go you can address maximum 1 byte, not more than that. Then one address can access 1 byte of data. One address corresponds to 1 byte of data. Your memory will have one read port and one write port. Write port signals will be write clock, which is 1 bit signal, write enable, which is 1 bit signal, then I have write address, which is 8 bit, and I have write data, which is again 8 bit. Next, I have the read port signals. If you see here, I have read clock, which is 1 bit, then I have read address, which is 8 bit, and I have read data, which is 8 bit. These are the signals in your design. Now you have to do this thing. You need to design the memory using Verilog or System Verilog, whatever you are comfortable with. Verilog or System Verilog. Use this coding language to design your memory. Then create a module named test.sv to drive the stimulus to the design. This will be your test bench thing. Here you need to apply some random stimulus to your design. Then you need to create the below stimulus for the write port. You have to give write enable equal to 1, write address is this value, and write data is this value. And for the read port, you need to give write enable is 0, then read address is wherever you have written the data. Then you need to read the data from this particular address. You have performed a write and read. You need to ensure that whatever data you have written, this particular value should come when you are reading it, which was this thing. This is a very simple example which I have given you. Here we are just testing whatever I am writing to the memory, I am able to read. This is just for your practice. Now with your own knowledge, you have to create more scenarios. I have told you what is the design. I have given you an example of what kind of test scenario you can write. Now generate your own random stimulus and verify your design. Solve this challenge today. Do the memory design and verification. And tomorrow I am going to see you for day 85 challenge with a new design and verification problem. Thank you and best luck.